trace starts here.
Starts right where Theodore Dunn Dirt Road comes out. It starts right here. That you can see we need some rain.
Oh,
It's starting to dry up, and then it's right here where these are soybeans that are in it right now. The old home used to sit right here.
That's what I was telling me.
And the trees and all. Yes, sir.
The trees, and that's where the old home was.
Aw.
And the guy that owns the land around the property on that side, he's also a farmer. And
Yeah, we already talked about
yes,
that.
sir. Yes, sir.
He could just keep using it.
He tends over it, but he understands that it's there. And
So do we own that little piece of property there
Yes.
or not?
there's an acre on the left around those trees where a
Yes.
house used to be. That is y'all's.
Okay,
But it's just it's impossible to go in the middle of a field and tend just an acre.
that's right.
So the farmer that tends the rest of that back there, he tends it as well, but he understands it's not his.
Continue to do that.
And the property runs right up here to this hedge road next to the correctional facility.
Yeah.
And I'll spin around and go back.
I had never been in there.
We don't want to come here permanently.
They built it about 15 years ago, and right before they populated it, they gave the people that live around it the opportunity to go in and see it.
Oh yeah.
And it's not, it looks like something from a horror movie. Every room's padded, they're single. It's for criminally insane
Oh
people.
my word.
Yeah, it's
So right here, Lynn.
Right here is the beginning of where the field
All
starts.
the way back to the trees.
Okay.
And there's a little pond.
There was one somewhere up here just past where the house was too at one time.
Yes, sir. There's
Now,
one
see
back
that
behind
one
the
there?
house. Yes, sir. I know you want to put your feet on it.
Yes.
Might as well. Whoa, there's a little bump there.
Yeah, there's a little water fur to get the water out.
You look like you do need some rain.
Yes, sir.
So is part of the trees in the property or not?
Those are not. These are. This is
Okay.
a spot
Right here he is.
Okay.
Figured this shade spot would be a good place to pull to.
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah, see the little
Oh,
pond
there's
back
the
there?
pond.
It's
That's
just
right
about
to
dried
it.
up.
What's left of it?
Little irrigation pond. Abner Rouse Sr., his headstone was a boxwood tree.
Yeah,
You remember that?
yeah.
Okay.
I don't, but that's good.
When he died, it was right at the end of the Civil War, and they say he was about busted. And the story always was they didn't have enough money to put a headstone, so they planted a boxwood tree
Oh my goodness.
to mark his grave.
Uh-huh. Wow. Yeah, I can remember coming out here with Pop and Nan. It's in good shape, all things
Yeah, the last
considered.
time I was here, there was a snake crawling along on the
great.
fence.
Oh, great.
Rory reminded me of that film that one of the ones.
I remember that.
Yeah.
I was a little boy.
went up and
Uh-huh.
Y'all brought the whole crowd down here.
Yeah. What year were you born, Rory?
1980.
1980.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
That's marked his grave. So we replaced the headstone at the back of it. But we put a headstone there 4 years ago. And that's the back, but we put a boxwood tree on the back of the headstone.
Oh,
That's great.
this is a big tree right here.
And we don't know exactly when he was born. We know he was born in 1822, but don't know the date. So we just put 1822 on the headstone. We had to, when he died.
Yeah. 1842.
This was Pop's dad.
Great granddad.
It was his great granddad.
And Abner Jr. was his granddad.
Uh-huh.
But him and he had a brother named Lemuel that they both fought in the Civil War.
Really?
My dad's got a picture of the two of them. It was a reunion of Civil War veterans in Snow Hill, and this Abner Rouse Sr. and Lemuel Rouse, they're brothers, which are old men in the picture. It was from 1904, I think. But I hadn't told you about that, had I? Okay.
No, that's a nice surprise. A very nice surprise.
But my whole life there was a stubby, just it never got big. I don't know why, but it was just about that tall, that big, and had a lot of dead spots in it, and it finally just died.
Just
it
died
went
out.
away, and I said, well, we got to
fix that.
do something.
Yeah. Now where it
That
is?
was the next generation.
I should know better than I do.
1936.
The Pop was born.
Yeah, I'm gonna say it's his grandson. He would have been 38.
Mary Ann Suggs' wife with Abner. Nice. Okay.
Well, one of them was married about 2 or 3 times.
We went to get together, make the headstone. He's like, "Do you want anything on the back?" I said, "I tell you what, can you make it look like a boxwood?" He said, "Yeah." I said, "So anytime you look at any old historical stuff about Abner Rouse, it always says look for the boxwood tree. Boxwood tree's now gone." I said, "Well, we'll put the boxwood back." Yeah.
It's a nice cemetery.